What's good, guys? Welcome back to another streaming session. Okay, I think everything is set up and we can take a look right here on the gold charts. So what I'm gonna do is a fresh analysis here. So hopefully the music is not that loud. Well, I guess it's good. So yeah, basically let's delete all the info from the chart here. What do we have? Nothing good. Now let's analyze the chart right here on gold. So over the weekend we got some new strikes from USA and from USA to Iran, and yeah, I was thinking that we can see a gold more bullish, and now it just like breaks some highs but then just pull back up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to mark my daily, I'm gonna say daily resistance right here. After that, let's drop on the 12-hour time frame right here, and we can see that there's a support area here that we try to break at that point. Let's go move to the 8 hours. On the 8 hours, we have another good area right here, as we can see that for sure this is a support area. Now drop even more on 4-hour time frame. Well, on 4-hour the things are not that good, because well, we can see that this formation right here, but at the same time we have some sort of support right here. I'm gonna keep this, but I want to watch it on lower time frame, so let's drop even more on 2-hour time frame here. And yeah, on the 2-hour time frames we got some new consolidation area, some wicks area to the upside. So at this point, when I'm seeing these kind of wicks right here, I'm looking for sales. Now let's drop to the 1-hour time frame, the best time frame, 1-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame we got a very nice candle to the downside, closing bearish, and then some clean traffic move right here for 200 pips. Let's see if we can get an entry. Also on 30-minute time frame, it's a beautiful structure. I'm gonna move this a bit lower. Okay, and on the 50-minute time frame we can see that there's some candles breaking down here. I think I can try a sell position from that point. How many pips are here? 170. 170 pips. We have 50 more minutes for this candle to close, so yeah, I guess it's kind of risky. Because we have a lot of, like, if you can take a look here, there are a lot of wicks. So that means in the past we had some movements to the downside and then push back up. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Probably I'm not gonna take a trade today because it's some fucked up price action here, to be honest. Yeah, the only trade I see it's probably from here to the downside, but it's too risky. It is too risky. I don't want to. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to enter just for an entry, so probably I'm not gonna take any trade today. So I'm not gonna take a trade probably today on this market condition. So also, what I'm gonna do right now is to take a look on the Forex Factory, forexfactory.com, to see the news for today. Well, Trump had It's about to speak at 10:30 p.m. Well, yeah, this can be some fucked up info for the war. So yeah. Anyway, at this point, I'm gonna wait because this market is like I don't like it that much. Probably below this level, I can took a trade, but I don't know. Let's take a look on the GPGPY. So on GPGPY, God, another bullshit. Yeah, I guess this support level right here, it comes well. Also, we had a resistance to the upside here, which is like, yeah, close to where we are right now. Let's mark it right at. Let's drop on 12-hour time frame and 8 hours because kind of it's basically the same information. On 4-hour, we got some bullish movements, but we're close to this support, so I don't know if we can break to the upside and continue moving up. But yeah, I don't know. No, not gonna trade this either because it's not cool, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to gold to see how candles are gonna print, or I don't know, maybe I can do some trades, but other than that, I don't know. So yeah, we gotta wait, I guess. Also, to if I'm gonna take a look on 30-minute time frame, there is like so good information to the left hand side right here where we can take some buys, but at the same time we need I need a candle to close bullish at this point right here to confirm that there's a support, and if this 15-minute candle will gonna stay bullish for the next 9 minutes, or if this is about to close bullish, I can take a trade at this point. So I also can took a risky buy right here just because it's close to this support area, but I better wait for the 30 minutes and 15-minute candle to close. The stops will be kept below this area right here, and then I guess I want to see the move to the upside close to this point right here, which is 5180. Yeah, let's place to the 5180 here. So 5180, perfect. 5180. Yeah, that's a very good target. Let's delay this and make another. Oh, what? Okay, let's delay this. Okay, I missed the shot again. Okay, good. Now, all I gotta do right now is to wait for the candle to close, and pretty much that's it. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close to see how the 30-minute candle is about to close, and the most safest entry I can take is above this high right here on the 30-minute time frame. But I'm gonna take a risky trade on the 50-minute time frame at the closer of the 50-minute time frame before breaking some highs. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Pretty much I'm gonna wait 7 more minutes to see how it's about to happen. So yeah, I guess we're good. Yeah, all I gotta do right now is to wait 7 more minutes, and yes. Also, another thing that I like on the gold chart, it's the weekly time frame who is not breaking below this low right here. So there's, for me personally, there's a good confirmation to moving upside. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna trade this. So yeah, we start to see some moves to the downside. So hopefully we can get a wick to the downside down here on the 30-minute time frame after the closing in 5 minutes, or also in 15 minutes time frame here. So if I get that wick, I'm gonna enter right away, because the way it's formed on the weekly time frame, it shows me that okay, there's almost no room to the downside, but because we don't break the low, but it's a lot of room to the upside also for the left hand side info that we had right now. So yeah, kind of good information. So yeah, pretty much I can have one entry above this wick right here, but hopefully I can get a move to the downside to hit again this support area, which I guess it's formed pretty nice, and I also can take some buys for the candle closure bullish for on 15-minute time frame. But yeah, we gotta wait because well, you never knew if this will gotta be stay at 50-80 or not. So yeah, we gotta wait for this candle to close. But yeah, the most nicest entry were to the downside at this point right here, when we see some bullish move. I mean, some bullish pressure from, like, we don't take this low. So yeah, could it be a good entry? But also, if this is about to close bullish in like 3 minutes, I can get an entry. And then Also I can get an entry when it's just a candle closure, or I can get that entry when there's a retest to this bottom right here. Yeah, so this is the plan. This is the plan that I have. Candle closure, making the wick, taking a buy. Hopefully you're not stopped out, because you know what I'm saying. Gotta be insane, right? I mean, it's gold. Gold can do whatever he wants. Like, you never knew, man. Wow, that's good. That's good because we have a lot of volatility. So not the volatility that we need, because I mean it's not that nice. So I don't know. Very so much indecision in the markets. God damn. Yeah. Candles print so bad at this point, but I guess we have this red area of wicks, if I'm gonna put it like that. Look at that. Many wicks, man. Like, what the fuck we got? I'm gonna keep it right here. If I'm gonna make this red, look at that. So let's make this red. Oh, anyway, that's kind of red, okay? Watch on the 1 hour. These are wicks on the higher time frame. So these are wicks. Why should I not take a buy when I knew there's some sort of wicks in the past, and there is also some bullish pressure in the markets? Yeah, makes all the sense in the world. Makes all the sense, but hopefully we're not gonna get the wick even more down. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So 1 more minute for candle to close. 1 more minute if 7:30. 4:30. Come on, gold. Make the damn wick, bro. We'll see. Okay, so we got at if we can break the high, I think we can continue moving to the upside. But also I like to enter in another position if we make a low, but I'm gonna stick to the plan and enter in the position right here on the 50-minute time frame. Okay. Break at the 50-minute time frame high. I took a buy. Hopefully we can get a retest to this area right here for another re-entry, and then like pretty much that's it. That'll be a good trading day, to be honest. But yeah, we are in a buy right now. Good. Let's see how this is going on 30 minutes. Also on 30 minutes, I like the closure. Yeah, it's okay. Can be better, but that's good. That's good. Kind of good closure. We have, oh god damn, 400 pips to the upside. Oh my god. Yeah, the second entry, if I'm gonna take a second entry, will be lower, or the lower point from here, like this support area. Other than that, I'm not looking to take another buys up here or something like that. But I can take another buys up here. So if I start to breaking the highs, I'm gonna looking for another buy because the structure looks good. Yeah, right here we start to break some highs. That's good. It's good. So yeah, gotta wait. The entry's pretty good. We respect the plan. at least we respect it. So yeah, let's see if we have enough volume to push through these wicks that we made today. And yeah, anyway, the first target here is perfect, so the second entry will be, I guess if we gotta reach this right here, the second entry will be like just I don't know what to say, like a change for us. But I'd like that we break the high on 30-minute time frame too. I like the price action on lower time frames. I like the price action on the higher time frames. All we gotta do right now is to wait the position to plane out. So, yep, kind of. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Yeah, pretty much the trade played out. We got a nice push from here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. The entry was like goddamn amazing, dude. Was an amazing entry. And right now, I don't know. I guess it depends what I want to do next, but the way it looks, I think there can be more space for it to run. Um, but always I like to secure something. As we can see right now, the 12 hours just flip bullish. I like to secure some. I mean, I like to secure my positions, but I also like to let them move. So I learned from the last time when we had that amazing move. So last time we trade almost in the same area right here. Now let me take a look. Last time, I don't know if I can wait. So last time, what the fuck? Wait. So last time we trade this area right here on 50-minute time frame. Wait, there we have it. Yeah, right here. So I took a trade upside here, and then look how far it went on the same area. So we got on the same area, we got the same targets, but this time we got it better. I want to say we got it better. So yeah, there's a higher possibility for this to continue moving to the upside to reach the targets and so on and so forth. Yeah, we need to be more. I mean, to wait more for the positions. Something like that. But yeah, I like the way it start to move, to be honest, and this push. I also can like take some profits off the table and let the rest run. I'll be good. But at the same time, I guess, if this high is gonna be break, yeah, I can hold it more. Kind of like the way it moves. Not gonna lie. If the 1 hour is about to close in that this way, yeah, at that point I mean, we can add even more on the upside here. So yes, let's close something, dude. I made some money today, so let's close 90%. 90% close. 90% close right here. We have 250 pips, 90% closed. Let's move this to the break even. Nice. And at that point, probably I can re-entry in a position right here, but I don't think so it's the case. Look how beautiful the entry was. So yeah, let's put a target here. We have a target. Actually, if I want to be like a fucking something, I'm gonna move it way higher. Let's place it right. I don't know. Let's place it right here. Yeah. And kind of let the rest run. Yeah. Good day. Good day today. I mean, I've made like, let me take a look. History from let's see for today. Oh, yeah, $100. The last position was from the first position was from the on Friday. Yeah, I took it on Friday and it closed today. Like it stopped me out. Look at that. 50-minute candle flip bullish. Guys, if this is about a flip, I can re-enter in that position to be honest. Or should I wait for the 1 hour to close? Hell yeah, I make some money today. I don't have to rush anything. I only have to wait. Because I already make money. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the live open. Not for trading, but I wanna see how's the market is about to react in the next hour. So yeah. Also, there can be a trade on the upside if the next candle can break above and close above this resistance right here, can be a very good entry. Or a safest entry can be right here above all of these resistances. Yeah, I think it can play it out. But good. The exit was, wait, let's see the trade history. So yeah, the exit was right here at the top of these candles. So I saw 1, 2, 3 rejection in the past, and also as we can see, we got another rejection right now. So yeah, we better close. I closed 9%, but you better close something than let it run just in hope that we can break these highs. We already had that good move here, and it's like pointless to have and let it run like for what? No, that's perfectly fine. The way the price action is right now, I don't think so. It's a good idea to let position that much run. So also, if we can't break above the high, like I have right here, like $4 risk. So I mean, there's nothing compared to what what I was doing today. So yeah, I'm kind of tired, not gonna lie. Like I really want to take a nap, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the 5:30. I really want to see the 5:30, how it's gonna look on 30-minute time frame. What about the candles? What about the breaks to the upside, downside? Yeah. Maybe what the fuck? Maybe I can re-entry that trade, but I don't know. We have an opportunity to re-entry the trade. The opportunity is above this area right here where we had the first target. But at this point, I mean, we have to wait. Also, take a look at the exit, dude. Take a look at the exit. Damn. I mean, yeah, so 50 points. I mean, there's 50 pips upside move after the exit, but still, don't care. Look how fast this shit moves, dude. It's like 200 pips back, 150. Yeah. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. So another entry can be on at this point right here. We have 9 more minutes for this candle to close. Gotta wait. I like the fact that I started to stream 39 minutes ago, so we made some money in 39 minutes. I mean, nice. Also, good entries can be right here, but I'm not gonna risk any dollar from what I'm making today just because I see something wonderful. No, fuck it, nope. I have to stay relaxed. Think I'm gonna smoke. Think I'm gonna smoke some, but I gotta stay relaxed, watch the market, and wait for the best opportunity to trade. In my opinion, the best opportunity is about this area right here on almost every time frame. The one that I like, it's on 30-minute time frame. So yeah. Also, I like the 1 hour time frame push here. Amazing, not gonna lie. But yeah, we have room. See, that was like a 5 minutes push upside and then just start to break down. If I'm gonna took a trade here, I was like 60 pips drawdown. For what, dude? Like, it's pointless to trade like that. Never take trades like that. And yeah, that was amazing, dude. That was amazing. Look at that. Look one more time. I was trading exactly a 50-minute time frame candle. I banked 260 pips, and then we just got a drop. This is why it's important to take some money out of the table, because you never knew what's gonna happen next. So if I saw this break to the upside, I could tell that, okay, I can wait because we have some more room to the upside. But no, look what happened next. You always have to take your profit, like take profits off the table, and pretty much that's what you're gonna do. That's all what you have to do. Because if I want to re-entry in some position here, I told you, like, we can trade above these higher resistances, because we pretty much don't have a I mean, some rejection or something like that on the left hand side. And yeah, pretty, I mean, that was a satisfying trade, to be honest, financially, and I mean, for my ego, that was pretty good. I know, like, you don't have to, you don't need, and it's not recommend, nobody is recommended to have an ego when trading, but we all have an ego, dude. So we need to, I mean, we need to accept even the losses. I don't know how I'm gonna react to the losses, but as long as it's a planned loss, so let's say I get a drop from break of the high here to right here, I was like, okay, it's not gonna bother me. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm gonna stick to the plan and wait for another candle, as I had like last week, and there was not a problem. So yeah, you gotta accept it, because it's a part of the game. So yeah, look at that correction, dude. Look at that correction move. 4 more minutes for this 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1 hour candle to close. Yeah, another good re-entries are above here. If I can see on the 5-minute time frame a candle closing bullish, I can re-entry from down there, but otherwise I'm gonna re-entry from here. So yeah, let's see what about happen, because I've seen many times where we have these moves down to the 15-minute candle, like on the, look at that, look at this right here. So we have a push up, a drop. Oh, you can't, oh, you can see this. Okay, so take a look here. We have a push on the upside from this support, then a push back, and then look what's happened. This was a fucking flying of a structure here. So yeah, we need to wait again. The waiting, it's your friend in trading. I mean, I learned this, but in time, because when you first come to trading, you are like, man, I want to be excited, I want to feel something, but the plan to make money and stay consistent in this, like, I'm gonna say job, okay? So in this job, you have to be like bored. You had to be like, okay, I have to wait again and again and again. And when it's time to enter a trade, you know for sure that it's about to happen what you expect. So yeah, that happened. I expected this push on the upside, so I wasn't like excited that, oh my god, I took a trade and it played out. Look at that, guys. It's like it breaks the high and look at the movement on the upside. No, because I'm seeing this move happen like over and over again. So I've seen this many times in the past. So yeah, I'm not excited. I'm more like confident in my execution. So yeah, pretty much that's it. But a confidence comes from experience. So the more you spend, I'm not gonna say time on the charts, but the most time you spend trading, because this is my 6th year, so I trade since 2020. Yeah, kind of 2020. I took it not seriously in 2020, but I started to trade by Smart Raja concepts. So yeah, it's like it's been a while. So yeah, I've seen many moves like that. So there's no rush. There's no rush in them. Yeah, and I know that this is what I have to do over and over again, and I still do some stupid decisions and lose some money, but I don't know. This is why I'm doing this live stream, to keep me more disciplined in that. So I want to stay disciplined. I don't like nobody's watching that, but I mean, in the future, maybe some people can learn from that, from these live streaming. I mean, okay, from right here, I can take an entry, to be honest. God, there's 100 pips. I'm not gonna take an entry, but if this is about to break this high, I think it's. Yeah, it can play it out, but to be honest, I'm fucking exhausted. I don't think so. I'm gonna re-entry. Or let me drop the time frame, drop the lot size, and took some like. Do I want to raise? I mean, it can play it out, but. Should I drop even more? let's try a buy stop here. If I can get a move, I'm gonna enter that. Oh, okay, yeah. Let's see if this candle can break above this high, and then the stops are gonna be kept some over here, I guess. Yeah, 100 pips. But yeah, I lowered my lot size just because I took a good entry right here, so I still have a position. It runs at, let me see much rate. Oh, $8 in profits. Yeah, I guess it's good. $8. $8 in profits. So yeah, as long as we don't break this low, I think we're good. So yeah, maybe a candle closing bullish on 1 minute and then a push to the upside will be great. But as I tell you, like, as long as we don't start to break lower, we good. And if we start to breaking low, I'm not gonna re-entry and I'm gonna close the stream, and I'm not gonna trading anymore for today. So yeah, this is the last chance I give to the market right now. But now if this is gonna close like that, I'm gonna close I'm gonna close this position. So yeah, move it to the break even. Don't want to lose some more money. So yeah, look at that, start to breaking below. Yeah, there's no point to lose money on that first position. Yeah, pretty good. Let's see if it's about to my stop right here. So move to the upside, man. Move to the upside, gold. Move to the upside. No, move back upside, man. Nice. Now flip bullish, and she took my entry and then flew like 500 pips, and I'm gonna make money, and everybody's happy, and I'm going to the gym after that, so I'm gonna be a happy boy. Yeah, come on, gold. Nah, this is like a 90% take of a stop loss right here. So oh shit, maybe I'm not right, but let's take a look. Let's take a look. I like that's engagement. So that is, oh my god, look at that. Look how fast it moves. Look how fast it moves, man. Come on, gold. Don't take my stop. That's a challenge. Don't take my stop. Look at that, guys. Gonna. Okay, put it right here. Okay. That's funny, dude. Okay, now flip bullish and go upside. Wait. Let's see if we are about to see this candle moves back down here. Let's wait. Oh, where's the candle, dude? Look at that. Oh shit. Let's keep it like that. Oh no. What's about to happen now? What's about to happen next? Amazing. Oh, look at that. It's about to happen. It's about to, nope. It's amazing. Don't break that low in 5 minutes, dude. Now fly to my TPs. Oh no. It's about to that was very close one, dude. Don't break the low. Like, don't be a douchebag, man. Don't be a fucking douchebag. Don't take my stop. I'm 80% sure that it's about to stop me out, and then it's about to fly hundreds of pips, but I don't fucking care. Because I don't want to risk any more money. For today, I mean, I'm good. But who knows, maybe... Should we keep the $4 risk? Nah, we shouldn't. No, it stopped me out, dude. It stopped me out. That's not... I mean, look at that. Good. So, for today, delete this order. For today was a good day. Was 100. So this trade is from Friday. I banked $82 today, $100. Yeah, that's good. $100 in 40 minutes. Fair for me. Good. So yeah, that was the live stream for today. So enjoy your day. Bye.